Hi guys, hello and namaste everyone. How are you all? So guys, in this video, I will be doing a tarot spread related to Saturn retrograde that is coming now in the next week to like during the end of July. I guess between 26th or 27th of July, and it will be going up till December 10th or 11th, I guess. And before moving ahead, I would like to give a short description about retrograde planets. And this is nothing like I have searched from online or so, but this information is all what I have learned from all these things. Why does a planet go into retrograde? What does retrograde mean? Like usually planet they move ahead when they are you know they're in their astrological thing. Retrograde means usually the planet goes backwards. Okay, and why it happens? Like in life, and it is actually necessary for us for our benefit only. How? Let me tell you. In life, we are just here, we are there on this mother earth to create new karmas, to pay off old karmic debts, and also to learn some life lessons, some karmic lessons. It can be anything. So, actually, when we move ahead in life, we experience a lot of stuffs. At times, some situations we come across are such that literally, I would say that they are, I mean, see, I'm not getting the word. They are just horrible. Yeah, just horrible for some of them. With time, we also come out of this situation and we move forward in life. But have we learned something from it? Because during that situation, we only think of one thing: when will I come out of this situation? When will this situation get over? But are you trying to learn something out of this situation? That is also equally important. And hence, for these reasons, at times planets go into that backward retrograde position just to check, just for you to know if you have really learned something from this or not. See, that is why at times whenever some planets they go into retrograde position, you might be seeing that some of your experiences from your past they again come on the surface, they again come in front of you. Some people from your past who are not there currently in your life, they suddenly appear in your life. This is just universe and divine's way to let you know, or also to check if you have really learned something or not. And let me tell you other side of this, that if you have really learned your lesson, if you have cleared your karmic debt, everything, then even though this planet, any planet, take it any planet, is in retrograde, for some of them who have learned and who have successfully moved ahead in their life, learning their lessons and clearing their debts, for them, like experiences from your past, people from your past, they won't come. This is especially for them who have not learned their lessons and they're just moving forward in their life. This is especially for them. So basically, if you feel that if retrograde planet they come just to break you and all, so this is just illusion. They actually come to make you understand that okay, you didn't learn actually about this and all. So this is why planets come into retrograde position at times, and which is much necessary, right? Otherwise, for same situations, for same pattern, you need to take birth on this Mother Earth again and again, and same things will keep on repeating unless you don't learn it. So that is why in each lifetime, some planets they for us in each lifetime for us for our own benefit, so that we learn at least in this retrograde season, planets do go backwards for our benefit only, if you see from other side, isn't it? So now let's start with this retrograde spread. Let's see what the Saturn retrogrades will teach you. Okay, so our very first card will be the main theme of this retrograde. I have already shuffled the deck. Okay, so I am taking out the cards. What will be the main theme, the energy that basically we all will experience in this retrograde. And let me remind you, this is just a general reading, so this may or may not resonate with everybody of them. You can always have a personal reading for your personal thing, to know personally what this retrograde will bring towards you. Second card will be major lesson that you will learn, that will help you in your near future, and that this is also the reason why planets go into retrograde position, so that in future you don't make those same mistake, or you don't repeat the same pattern and all. So during the retrograde, what you need to keep in mind, the card for it. A fourth card will be what you need to redo or do over again or revisit again that you felt that you have done with. This also I just explained now while giving a short description. A fifth card will be what reward will be if you're diligent through thorough, like during the retrograde, if you are learning the lesson, if you are doing accordingly what actually is Saturn expecting, then what will be the reward that you will get. And a last card will be message from Saturn Lord Saturn, or Saturn planet. So let's start. The first card, theme, and the card for you is page of swords. So guys, theme I'm seeing over here is this retrograde, for most of you, whoever is watching this video, this will make you think a lot, and learn something. This is what I'm seeing with this book. You will get some ideas, some clarities, and for some of them this may also teach you to do something, if possible online or something, online business, online work, and some sort of study thing I am seeing. Not study as such, but some knowledge you need to gain. This will give you some sort of knowledge. This will make you maybe open your notes, some sort of notes, or maybe to jot down or make new notes or journal. This is what I am seeing over here. This is the overall theme that I am seeing. And well, looking at this card, it looks a very positive card. So yes, let's see what will be the energy throughout this retrograde, a major lesson. So the card is Queen of Swords, again a swords card over here. So throughout this retrograde, your major lesson will be you need to stay strong, and you just do not need to invest or put your emotions in each and everything. You need to think logically and practically. This is what I'm clearly feeling with this card, Queen of Swords. You need to come in your power. Yes, and I would say one thing, just because this is a card of queen doesn't mean this is only for females. This is for everybody. So if you're a man, if you're a guy watching this video, you need to focus on your feminine side. Okay, that is very caring, nurturing, very much loving, emotional. You need to focus on that, but at the same time you need to be very practical and logical also, but you need to come in your power. This is what this retrograde will teach you. A third card, let's see what it says. That is like what you need to keep in mind. All cards of related to swords, Ace of Swords. So please guys, keep in mind, can you see the crown is here above? You may come across a lot of truth, a lot of clarities. So this is what you need to be prepared for. This is what you need to keep in mind. And after knowing those after having those clarities, after knowing those truth, you you know you don't have to just pull yourself down. This is what the thing is. You need to keep your standards high. This is what I am getting over your message, that whatever truth or the clarity you came across, it was for your own good. Okay, because this thought, this clarity will help you in getting new ideas, something maybe related to your work, or something that you were longing for to do. And I'm seeing this will be a divine intervention. So keep this in mind, that you will be getting some maybe downloads also from universe, from uh, divine energies. This is what I'm seeing over here. A fourth card will be what you have to redo do over or revisit that you felt that you are done with. And the card is, okay, Knight of Pentacles. So basically, this card actually says this, like, Knight of Pentacles is a card which is a very slow moving card. So maybe in past you were like very much impulsive, you were very much desperate. This is what, this can be a thing for some of them. But here with this card, you need to stay grounded. Looking at these plants over here, I am sensing this. If possible, please connect with nature, because the season is so, and if it is safe for you, connect with nature, do grounding, do meditation. uh, this is what I would say, guys. Like, I'm getting, do some sort of yoga and all. You maybe have decided but you couldn't do at that time, so you need to do that. Or you might have felt, okay, I did for these many months, I'm okay now. No, you need to keep the consistency and continuity. This is what I am seeing over here. Only then somewhere you will become very grounded. This is what I am seeing over here. And at times your impulsive, your desperate behavior ends up in you into making an wrong or an inaccurate decision or so. So for this purpose, you need to stay very grounded and don't just rush into anything. This is what I am seeing. Maybe you did a lot in like this stuffs in the past, and now you have to avoid doing it now. Okay, don't just rush, take your time. This is what basically this card is saying. So what reward you will get if you are doing what actually Saturn is expecting from you? Oh wow, wow, beautiful card, Eight of Wands. So in a very fast way, in a very swift way, something you are waiting for may come towards you. This is what I'm seeing. Now this can be like, maybe for some of them with respect to a specific person, or a person may become and just an excuse to bring that thing in your life. But something is really coming in a very swift way towards you, and this is a very positive energy. This is what I would say. But this will happen only if you're acting according to what actually Saturn is expecting from you. Only then this is possible. Or maybe if you wanted to fly abroad or something, but even that thing, I am feeling some sort of traveling, some sort of communication, something you were expecting may come towards you unexpectedly. Wow, beautiful. Let's check out our last message, that is message from Saturn. And the message is Eight of Cups. So maybe during this whole retrograde season, you will come across something, you will come across a feeling, or you will come across a realization basically, that some people, some memories, some things, they are not serving you anymore, and you were just holding on to it. So you just have to move away from it for your better being, for your well being. This is what Saturn is conveying us via this message. Just to move away from what is not serving you anymore. Only then you will find this greenery, this is overall a beautiful picture, this moon and this. And otherwise also, if we see now, new moon has also started. So yes, according to that, I would say that this overall, this beautiful thing you will come across only when you will leave what is not serving you anymore emotionally. This is what is the message Saturn is giving you. A message from Saturn for this retrograde. So guys, this was the reading with respect to Saturn retrograde. If you liked the reading, if you understood it, please let me know in the comments. Subscribe to my channel, and also consider following my social media accounts, and click on the bell icon so that any new video I upload, you will get a notification for the same. And do let me know if you really understood the reading, you liked the reading, like at least little bit you understood. Yes, fine, that I will follow what actually Saturn is trying to expect. Like, it won't happen immediately. Like now 26, 27, the retrograde has started, and immediately you will understand. No, slowly and gradually you will understand what Saturn is expecting from you. So do it accordingly. And I would request that don't repeat those patterns that uh, were there in the past also. If for some of them any past people or any past experiences rise up, please just don't overflow go like this card itself is saying. Just don't go with that overflowing emotions, and be hopeful that yes, now again, if this has come up, then something, there are chances or something, blah blah blah. No, please, please have that control on yourself, because this is a test for you. This is what I would say. So with this, I am signing off and I'm ending this reading. Thank you so much and all the best, everybody. And yes, don't get scared of any retrograde planet anytime. Thank you.